nell'augurarvi uno splendido 1992 vi proponiamo la Piccadilly Soft numero 13, naturalmente by Leonardo G.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. There are dreams, we stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. Make a better world. Make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we work received and will reveal a joyful face. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep strangling life when this earth crucify its soul? Though it's plain to see this world is heavenly, be God's love. Let it fly so high, let our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers. Create a world with no fear. Together we'll cry happy tears. See the nations turn their swords into plowshares. We could really get there
the golden sun. We are a billion children rolled into one. So when I hear about the hole in the sky, salt water wells in my eyes. We climb the highest mountain, we'll make the desert bloom. We're so ingenious we can walk on the moon. But when I hear of how the forests have died, salt water wells in my eyes. I have lived for love, but now that's not enough. For the world I love is dying, and now I'm crying. And time is not a friend, no friend. As friends we're out of time, and it's slowly passing by, right before our eyes. We like the deepest oceans, send photographs of Mars. We're so enchanted by how clever we are. Why should one baby feel so hungry she cried? Salt water wells in my eyes. Day that I die, salt water wells in my eyes. Salt water wells in my eyes.
Time stands still before me. Frozen here on the ladder of my life. It's much too late to save myself from falling. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Elton John.
I can't find all the right romantic line. You see me once, see the way I feel. Don't discard me, baby, no. Just because you think I mean you harm.
Just because you think I mean you harm. No,
But these cuts I had,
'cause I had
they need love
they need
to help them heal. Oh, don't let the sun go down on me. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free. Cause losing everything is like the sun going down on me. Don't let the sun go down on me. Although I search myself, it's always someone else that I see. Yeah, I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free, baby. Cause losing everything is like the sun going down on me.
Mr. Elton John.
I wanna call the stars down from the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. All the impossible I won't do. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know what's beautiful looking at you. In a world of lies, you are the truth. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are, and bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark when you tell me that you love me. I wanna make you see just what I was, show you the loneliness and what it does. You walked into my life to stop my tears. Everything's easy now, I have you here. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you
pleasure hard to find, a pleasure not a prize. You've made me realize you shelter me and care for me, and that's okay. And I'm no longer lonely, 'cause your love has shown me what it means to really be in love. And I'm no longer lonely, 'cause your love has shown me I have found the have to make me whole. And I'm so glad you've made me your own. And you, what am I gonna do about you? I can't believe the things you put me through. No, I can't believe you're true. What am I gonna do about you? No, I can't believe the things you put me through. No, I can't believe you're true. I've tasted in my prime the words that turn to brine, a sour taste that took away my smile. But now I've changed my tune, I'll head off to you. Your tender touch, it means so much. I breathe for you, and I'm no longer lonely, 'cause your love has shown me what it means to really be in love. And I'm no longer lonely, 'cause your love has shown me I have found the have to make me whole. And I'm so glad you've made me your own. And you, what am I gonna do about you? I can't believe the things you put me through. No, I can't believe you're true. What am I gonna do about you? No, I can't believe the things you put me through. No, I can't believe you're true. No, I can't believe the things you put me through. I've tasted in my prime the words that turn to brine, but finally you're here with me. That's okay.
Babe, I'm leaving. I must be on my way. The time is drawing near. My train is going. I see it in your eyes. The love, the need.
see me through. So please believe me, my heart is in your hand, and I'll be missing you. 'Cause you know it's you, babe. Whenever I get weary and I've had enough, feel like giving up, you know it's you, babe, giving me the courage and the strength I need. Please believe that it's true. Babe, I love you. You know it's you, babe. Whenever I get weary and I've had enough, feel like giving up, you know it's you, babe, giving me the courage and the strength I need. Please believe that it's true. Babe, I love you. Babe, I'm leaving. I'll say it once again, and somehow try to smile. I know the feeling we're trying to forget, if only for a while. 'Cause I'll be lonely without you, and I'll need your love to see me through. So please believe me, my heart is in your hands, 'cause I'll be missing you. Babe, I love you. Babe, I love you. Ooh, babe.
Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Such a heart, such a soul. And when you find me there, you'll search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. You can't tell me it's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Look into your heart, you will find there's nothing there to hide. Take me as I am, take my life. I would give it all, I would sacrifice. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. the girl out there with the tattoo too. The future was wide open. They'd moved into a place they both could afford. He found a nightclub he could work at the door. She had a guitar and she taught him some chords. The sky was the limit. Into the great wide open, under them skies of blue, out in the great wide open, a rebel without a clue. The paper said it always played from the heart. He got an agent and a roadie named Bart. They made a record and it went in the charts. The sky was the limit. His leather jacket had chains that would jingle. They both met movie stars, partied and mingled. Their A&R man said, I don't hear a single. The future was wide open. Into the great wide open, under them skies of blue, out in the great wide open, a rebel without a clue. bad. With all the people talking, it's driving you mad. If I was standing by you, how would you feel? Knowing your love's decided and all love is real. Years all went by. With all the voices I've heard, something has died. And when you're in need of someone, my heart won't deny you. So many seem so lonely with no one left to cry to, baby. And don't you cry. Started walking, made a mile of solid road. As I was, I got to thinking, you ain't never coming home. I looked out over nowhere. Nobody at all to get me help to get through to you. I'm here making night call.
chill of the morning, thinking of the plans we made.
Empty spaces, what are we living for? Abandoned places, I guess we know the score. On and on, does anybody know what we are looking for? Another hero, another mindless crime, behind the curtain, in the past. Hold the line. Does anybody want to take it anymore? The show must go on. The show must go on. Yeah. Inside my heart is breaking. My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays on. Whatever happens, I leave it all to chance. Another heartache, another failed romance. On and on. Does anybody know what we are living for? I guess I'm learning. I must be warmer now. I'll soon be turning round the corner now. Outside the dawn is breaking, but inside in the dark I'll make it to be free. The show must go on. The show must go on. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, inside my heart is breaking. My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays on. My soul is painted like the wings of butterflies. Fairy tales of yesterday will grow but never die. I can fly, my friend. The show must go on. The show must go on. I'll face it with a grin. I'm never giving in. On with the show.
is freedom within, there is freedom without. Try to catch the deluge in a paper cup. There's a battle ahead, many battles are lost, but you never see the end of the road while you're traveling with me. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, when the world comes in, they come to build a wall between us, but you know they won't win. Now I'm towing my car, there's a hole in the roof. My possessions are causing me suspicion, but there's no proof.
And the paper today tells of war and of waste, but you turn right over to the TV page. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, when the world comes in, they come to build a wall between us, but you know they won't win. And I'm counting the steps to the door of your heart. Only shadows appear, barely clearing the room. Get to know the feeling of liberation and release. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, when the world between us, but you know they won't win. Oh. Hey now, don't dream it
Most of the time seems it's already morning. I see the sky, it's so beautiful and blue. The TV's on, but the only thing showing is a picture of you. Oh, I get up and make myself some coffee. I try to read a bit, but the story's too thin. I thank the Lord above, you're not here to see me in the shape I'm in. Spending my time watching the days go by, feeling so small. I stare at the wall, hoping that you think of me too. I'm spending my time. I try to call, but I don't know what to tell you. I leave the keys on your answering machine. Oh, help me please, is there someone who can make me wake up from this dream?